everybody, welcome to another Taylor Dollhouse video. Today we're going to do some laundry. Would you like a tour of our laundry room? Over here we have a washing machine and a drying machine. The washing machine has water inside and it makes sounds. The same as the dryer, but this one doesn't have water inside. Above the washer and the dryer, we have two hampers. One's made out of plastic and one's made out of wood. But next to that, we have the clothes hamper. And next to that, we have a dog washing station. We have that because our dog Scruffles is a little bit dirty, so we're gonna wash her after we do our laundry. Next to that, we have the iron board and the iron. Don't touch it because it's hot, and definitely don't play with it when it's on. Next to that, we have the drying station, and these are clothes pins. Here's the dog washing video. We're going to take the pet store products and it's conditioner for dogs and cats. Whatever pet you have, we'll put it on here and rub it in. Alright, come out. Thanks for visiting our laundry video. Bye.